A shaking Porsche Cayenne or loss of power could signal an engine misfire. Don't wait. Call 267-279-9477 for accurate diagnosis and repair. At Doylestown Auto Repair, we are Eastern Pennsylvania's European car specialists. When your third-generation Porsche Cayenne misfires, we use advanced diagnostic tools to pinpoint the exact cylinder and cause. We check spark plugs, ignition coils, fuel injectors, and compression levels. Our technicians examine oxygen sensor data and fuel trim readings specific to European engineering. We do not guess. We diagnose accurately and fix it right the first time. From faulty coils to carbon buildup, we handle every misfire issue your European car faces. Visit us at 241 Harvey Avenue, Doylestown, Pennsylvania. Email doylestownautorepair@gmail.com or check https://doylestownautoshop.com. Follow for real Euro repair advice.